Hi friends, welcome to my channel Ravi Rao. This video will talk about how to take over a sick unit, how to make it corrected by Vastu principles, how to expand it in terms of capacity, and how to run it profitable. In this unit, I've analyzed where the machinery is positioned, where the entry points, exit points, where the boiler is there. So in this unit, the boiler was in the wrong location. It is exactly on the eastern side, northeastern side. I shifted from the southeast, from northeast to southeast. There was southwest entrance, which I got it closed down. I changed the raw material location, storage part. Machinery have not changed much because they were not able to run the full established capacity. Thereby, I installed a new machinery, opened up northern side, created a way for a new expansion on the northern side and eastern side. Thereby, this factory did extremely well in less than 2 years' time. And my supervision and follow-up of all the points of Vastu has really helped industry come into great way of profitability. So remember, whenever you want to take over a factory or expand in the existing factory, you must adhere to the principles of Vastu. Be aware of northern direction and eastern direction.
Dr. Ravi Rao's vast knowledge of textiles and keenness on the industrial Vastu made him the most prominent Vastu and astrology consultant in current times. He advises ample of famous industrialists in the world today. Whether it is ginning, spinning, weaving, processing, garments, special fabrics, name it, and he can do wonders in the industry. His approach to every problem is unique and simple. As he walks in, he starts making the notes, goes through the layout of existing and futuristic planning, thus handling complex solutions in a simple way. The clients keep his notes and solutions for reference in the coming years. They pass on those notes to their heirs as well. Dr. Rao has got an elephant memory. For that matter, he can recall all his conversations whenever he revisits a place. It's like the details get embedded in his memory. Amazing, isn't it?